In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix the issue with the Resident Evil. We are having the Requiem error code, that is AMD AGS X64.D2 not found error code on the Resident Evil Requiem, and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to minimize the Steam and go to the local Windows File Explorer. Now go to this PC. Now go to local disk C. Now from here, we have to navigate to the folder Windows. From here, we have to scroll it down and navigate to the folder called System32. Now from here, we have to scroll it down, or you can just go over here, type here for AMD. Now from here, underscore AGS. Now just wait here to load up. And if you find that particular file here, you have to go for delete it. Just delete this particular file from here. Once you delete it, you have to check with it. That is what you have to do as the first step. Next one is all about what we need to do is we have to go over here. Once again, go to the File Explorer, this PC, go to local disk C, go to find the folder here called Windows. Now from here, scroll it down and navigate to X64 folder. Now here also you have to search for the error code, that is AGS X64.D2. If you are having this particular file here, if you are able to find this, you have to delete that particular file. That is the reason why this is happening. After deleting this file, what you need to do is I'll be providing a link in the description that is going to take you to something called Display Driver Uninstaller, that called TDU download version. Go to this link. Now from here, you have to download either download mirror EU or USA. Click on anything. So you can click on this if you want it. Just wait so that this particular driver called the Display Driver Uninstaller will be downloaded on your computer. Just wait for this. It will be automatically downloaded. Just wait. As you can see, it is downloaded. Once it's successfully downloaded, we have to go to the File Explorer. Now go to the downloads. Once you get into this, we have to go over here. Then you have to right click and you have to go for Extract All. Now go for Extract All. And make sure the extraction is done here itself. Go for extract. Now once the extraction is done, as you can see, we have done with the extraction. So if I close this, we have both the files here. So if you get into this, this is the extracted one. Right click on this. Go for extract. Now an extracted file will be over here. Now get into this. Now from here, this is the Display Driver Uninstaller. Click on this. Go for yes. Now, as you can see, the driver uninstaller, this is on a separate language or not English, any other language. If that is the case, just get into the settings. Now delete this settings from here. Delete it. Once you delete, you have to just go back, then try uninstalling it back. This time it will be in the English language. Now once you get into this, go for OK, close this, go for OK. Now click on select this type of device, go for GPU. It will automatically detect the NVIDIA or any graphics card that you're using. In my case, I'm using NVIDIA, so that is the reason NVIDIA is popping up. Now I have to click on clean and restart. Right, so what happens is the display adapter will be uninstalled from my computer. Once everything is uninstalled, I have to go to the Google Chrome, go over here, then I need to re-download it back. So search for NVIDIA GPU update. Just search like this. Get into the official site of NVIDIA. Now from here, I have to just update the graphics card. From here, I need to update the graphics card. After you update the graphics card, especially for the Resident Evil Requiem users, select the GeoForce. And once you select this, you have further options. Select the requirement based on your PC requirement and go for find. When you go for the find, what happens is, like I said, it will be taking you to another separate page. Now from here, if you're on the Windows 11 with 64-bit edition, try downloading this. This particular version or graphics card will be fixing the issue. Download this. Now we can go back and try continue playing the game. You'll not be having any kind of issue. And this is what we have to do. That's it. Bye.